So today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Rocket Money subscription. So we're actually going to be here on our iOS device in real time, so you could follow along step by step. And you can see actually right over here on the bottom left-hand side, we're currently on the dashboard of our app. And so to get to this next section, we actually want to go all the way to the top left. Over here, you can see the gear icon. We're going to go ahead and tap on this. And this is going to take us to our settings menu. If we go ahead and scroll down over here, you're going to see where it says premium membership. Let's go ahead and click on this. And that's going to take us to our premium section here. It tells you all the benefits that you get with premium. But if we go ahead and keep on sliding, you're going to see right over here where it says to cancel membership. You could either click on the word or the right-hand arrow. So from here, you're going to be able to see all the different features that you'll essentially be missing out from having no premium features. So from here, it'll let you kind of go back to keeping your premium. But if we want to go ahead and cancel, we're going to click on the word continue cancellation. Now, it might tell you some additional things like having not unlocked your credit report and some other things. Again, we're going to go ahead and continue with cancellation. And again, it's going to have us go through another step over here where we're going to hit on the word continue cancellation. And from here, it's going to ask us why we would like to cancel. So you can choose whichever option works best for you. If you click on other, you'll just type in the prompt. And from here, it says your feedback is helpful. And then you can go ahead and give them some information if you want to, but it is optional. And we're going to click on continue. And continuing on with this cancellation process, which is ironic for them having the ability to help you cancel other subscriptions. This is definitely a tedious process here. So we're going to choose whichever option here works best for us. And we're going to now finally click on submit and cancel premium. And after a ton of different times of needing to click that, our premium has now been officially canceled. You'll know that by getting to this screen over here, and you are all set. Now, if you'd like to learn more when it comes to utilizing financial apps and services, we got you covered here. Check out our next video on screen to keep learning.